Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a link tree on Instagram. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add your Linktree link to your Instagram profile so visitors can easily find all of your important links in one place. This is especially useful if you want to share multiple websites, products, or social platforms while keeping your Instagram profile clean and simple. To begin, go to Instagram and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add your link tree. Once Instagram opens, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where you can manage the information that other people see when they visit your account. On your profile page, click Edit Profile. This is where you can update details like your bio, website link, and other profile settings. You'll use this section to place your link tree so it becomes visible and accessible from your Instagram profile. Next, switch over to your Linktree dashboard. At the top right, locate your Linktree URL. This is the link you want to share on Instagram. It's the main address that gathers all of your chosen links into one landing page, making it much easier for your audience to explore everything you want to promote. Once you've found your Linktree URL, click Copy. This saves the link to your clipboard so you can quickly paste it into Instagram without needing to type it manually. Copying the link directly also helps avoid mistakes, which is important because even a small typo can prevent the link from working properly. After that, return to the Instagram Edit Profile page. Paste the copied URL into your bio. Make sure the full link appears correctly and is formatted properly so Instagram can recognize it. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly double-check that you pasted the complete address and didn't accidentally include any extra spaces. Once the link is in place, your link tree will be part of your Instagram profile, making it easier for followers and visitors to access multiple destinations from one single link. This is a simple but effective way to guide people to your content, offers, or other online pages. That's it. You've successfully added a link tree to Instagram. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped make the process quick and easy.